Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Alright, hello there beauties, your girl Euniycemari here, and so today I am back with another Shea Moisture video. As you guys know, I am a Sheabassador. So I received my third or fourth box, and this box was all about the DIY. I will leave a picture here, and also too, if you go to my Instagram, you will see me break down the entire box and what was in it. But I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to give you a picture here of what all came in the box. So this box was all about the recipe book. It was all about the beauty hack, and you guys know I'm a big fan of DIY beauty, so this box really spoke out to me and really stood out to me. And the thing about how this box works, or how this new recipe line works, or the idea behind this, is that you can take the powder, a choice of essential oil, a choice of an oil, or a choice of a fragrance, and you can mix them up and create your own hair mask, face mask, body scrub. And I thought that was really cool. So really quickly, I'm going to share with you guys this before we jump into the DIY, or me showing you how I'm going to create this face wash. On the inside, it says the Shea Moisture Beauty Hack recipe book. And on the inside, it has a list of their products. So you have step 1, step 2, and step 3. So step 1 will be something like the bentonite clay, for example, here. Then from there, you can choose your choice of either, let's say you're gonna make a face mask, so you'll go vitamin E oil, right? So you'll pair it with vitamin E oil. And then lastly, step 3, you'll do lavender oil as your essential oil in your face mask. So it just gives you a breakdown of the products and how you can mix them and what you can mix with what, which I thought was pretty cool. Then from there in here, it just shows you pretty much some simple recipes. Like if you look at it here, they have a face mask, and it's just so simple. It tells you how much to use. Here it tells you how to do a hair mask, and I mean, it's just really is simple. Like this right here really just caught my attention, and I just wanted to show this with you guys really quickly before I move into this this DIY. Okay, so this is amazing. It just really just gives you a step-by-step guide on how to use their products to create your own face mask, your own hair mask, and I thought that was really amazing. So yes. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button, as well as the little bell down below, so that you are notified when I upload. Now, I decided to turn this into a face wash. I know, hold on, wait a minute. But you guys know that I already do a lot of bentonite clay, and I did another clay. So we're pretty familiar here on my channel with how clays work. So I wanted to kind of do something different. So I was like, what besides a face mask or a hair mask can I use this clay for? And I came across using it as a face wash. So I was like, a face wash. That is exactly what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna jump right into the video. I'm gonna show you how this is made. I'm gonna show you how I use it, and afterwards I'm gonna share with you my thoughts. So let's get started. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and let's talk about what you're gonna need to make this face wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to use the Moroccan Rhassoul Clay, 100% pure grapeseed oil. Well, this is actually for when you start to apply it. You're gonna need some type of application brush. And I'm just gonna use some peppermint oil to add to the face wash, okay? Also, I'm going to be using this cute jar that they also included. I'm gonna actually mix it in here. And then I'm going to be using a plastic knife to mix. You guys have heard me talk about this before, of course, but with any type of clay, you want to make sure that you are not using a metal utensil, because it just interacts wrong with clay. So you want to make sure that you're using plastic or wooden. So we're first going to start off with applying or putting the clay in here along with a little bit of water. And if you guys are wondering how much comes in here, it is a 7 ounce. So because I don't have a plastic spoon or anything, I'm just going to use the applicator that came with this. this here. I am going to take the applicator. Hopefully this is going to work for me. And I'm just taking this much. It's probably about a teaspoon, maybe a little bit bigger than a teaspoon. I'm just gonna put it right into here. See, when you don't have the right utensils, just improvise. Just for the sake of this video, so you guys know how I measure things out, this is a 1 ounce jar, just a little 1 ounce plastic jar, and I didn't fill it up all the way. So I filled it up just not even halfway, maybe a little bit less than halfway. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use my plastic knife. I'm going to pour this into the clay. And they say that you want to make it into a paste, not too liquidy or not too drippy. And if you look at my consistency, it is really liquidy. I added at least too much water. So I do have more of a clay-like consistency. So this is what the consistency of it looks like, if you guys can see. It's just really clay-like. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the grapeseed oil. I'm going to apply 1 pump of grapeseed oil to have some moisture to it. I'm going to do 1 drop of the peppermint oil. Just enough in here for me to use as a face mask. So now we're going to move on to me showing you how I'm going to use as a face mask. So let's do it. Alright you guys, so this is the after results of the mask, and I am actually really blown away, or the face wash. I am actually really blown away by it because it was something that you can do quick. Usually a face mask, you make it, you sit with it on your face for about 10-15 minutes or so, and then you go and you rinse it off. I applied it to dry skin, massaged it into my skin like a face wash, and then I removed it with a washcloth. I would have done a rinse method, but I had peppermint oil in that bad boy and I did not want to get it in my eyes. So I suggest if you are using peppermint oil, you want to use a washcloth to remove it, to keep it away from the eye area. It was really refreshing, and I am amazed at how good my skin came out. It left behind a tingling sensation, and my skin just feels so refreshed. And then I did apply some shea butter on my face afterwards, but I just like experimenting with different things, and I would do it again. It was like using a face mask in a quick method, you know what I'm saying? Instead of applying it, letting it sit for 10-15 minutes and then rinsing it off, it was more so like apply it to the face, massage it into the skin like you're cleansing the skin like you would any other wash or cleanser, and then you remove it, and my results are just amazing. And it was gentle, my face doesn't feel stripped. The peppermint oil was a bit strong, so I didn't move as fast because I was filming this, setting up and doing other things when I applied it, and I was like, oh, I gotta stop the camera, things of that sort. So I would say if you're gonna use peppermint oil, definitely keep it away from the eye area. Massage it into the skin, like, you know, just massage it. I let it sit for a little bit and then I removed it. But you want to make sure that you only use a little bit of peppermint, only use 1 drop. That's all you need. Anything more, you may have watery eyes and everything. But I loved it. It was a really refreshing face wash, and I would definitely do it again. And I am really excited that I tried this method. If you guys have done this before, let me know down below. And also I will have another video coming out on how to use matcha green tea. powder, because that was also included in the kit. So I will be doing a full video and face mask with that one and other goodies that I got in the box. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.